It's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, saws, milling machines, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a really nice machine. This is a company that we represent brand new as well as used. It's a Wellsaw. Been around for a very long time. You may have seen WF Wells is another spin-off of their company. This is a 10 by 16, meaning you have 10 inches round, 16-inch opening. If you're doing a 10 by 16, you've got a little weight right here. It's going to help for your down feed. It's a very simple machine to use. You'll see right here you've got an easy vise. You're just going to go ahead and clamp that right down. Here's your quick stop. Pull your vise out and in wherever you need it to be. You'll notice right here is mitering. If you need to do any mitering, you just loosen that. You can put it to the right angle that you need to be. This is a 220 three-phase machine. Right now we got it all set up. We're going to go ahead and just show you how it cuts. It's got coolant, of course, that we would usually have set up, but for this demo, we're just going to show you without coolant. You've got a quick little stop right here. You can set that up, hit your piece every time, and then you can repeat. It's kind of a nice way to do before they had CNC. So here's manual. We're going to go ahead, pull our head up. We've got a little pin right here. This is just going to let the lock go to let the head fall down. We'll turn our machine on. Lift this guy up a little bit. Push it in, and now we'll let the hydraulic feed do the rest. You'll notice right here, as soon as it hits the completion, it has a nice off switch and that turns it off. So you can set it, kind of let it fall down, and you get a nice clean cut. You can see right there. So this has a little bit of heat to it, which is going to be different from this cold saw that's right over here. You can see when we cut with this, we put a brand new blade on here. The cold and the coolant and the way that this blade actually cuts it is going to make it so it's ready to go clean and not hot. So really depending on the type of product you're finishing with, sometimes it's going to make it better or worse, or if you need larger pieces, bundling or I-beams, anything larger would be great for this. And we can make it into an automatic saw too. We have automatic saws that can go ahead and feed for you, just depending on the production. Now let us know if this is the type of saw you're looking for. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.